बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। मेरा नाम बिलाल जुवैद है। करते हैं आज का व्लॉग स्टार्ट। तो आज मैं डिनर बनाने लगा था। पहले सोचा था कि पालक गोश्त बनाऊँ, पालक गोश्त मैंने पहले भी बनाया हुआ था। तो आज मेरा माइंड बना है कि आलू पालक बनाने का, क्योंकि पाकिस्तानी स्टाइल में तो नहीं बन सकते, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो पालक होती है, अगर आप बड़ी सारी भी गुच्छी लेके आओ, so whenever you boil it, so it's being like this. So I just buy the organic spinach. So it's like a 1.15 50 dirham or like a 1 dirham something. So it's frozen but it's good. So first what I'm going to do, I need to cut the potato, peel it, then after cut, then after I need to boil it, because the thing is if I boil the potato, so it's gonna be like not messy, because if you cook inside, so it took too long. So better you boil the potato like half boiled, 50-50. So I'm going to boil the potato first, then after I'm going to do the other things. So more videos, keep in touch with DXP vlogs. तो सबसे पहले मैं आलू बॉईल करूँगा, क्योंकि अगर आप आलू बॉईल कर लोगे तो आपके लिए ईजी रहता है. इफ़ यू बॉईल द पोटैटो, so it's good. Like if you cook some like a beef or something else, it's easy to cook. So you need to cook like a 50%, 50 to 60% you need to cook. So I will cut like a two large size of potato. I buy this potato and they say it's a Pakistani, but the Pakistani don't have a potato like this. So I need to cut like a small pieces, but the big shape. And the next procedure, so I took the boiled water already, and I will put in the stove and put the potato inside, and like 1 or 2 pinch salt, because I need to boil it like a little bit, because the water is already the boiled one. So I need to cut the onion for now. So I took like a two medium size of onion. So I need to cut into small pieces. So because I need to make them like a golden brown. So I will cut like in small pieces. I have two onions. So oops, I cut this one like a little larger. Is fine. So I need to cut this one in the small pieces, because later I'm going to fry them until golden. And first I will put the ginger garlic paste, then after I put the onion. So the onion is almost done, is the last one. It looks too much, but it's not really. Anyway, I put a little bit oil inside, and then after this is the vegetable oil. So later I'm going to add inside the ginger garlic paste, because I'm making a big quantity, so every time you use like easily. So there is a ginger garlic paste, and I need to fry this one until it's a little brownish. So after that I'm going to add inside the onion, because it's brown already. So I will fry the onions until it's like a golden brown, then after I will add the tomato. So for now, after this I'm going to peel the tomato with a potato peeler a little bit, then after I will peel with a knife, because the otherwise your skin the coming in your mouth. So I almost peel the tomato. As you can see, I remove the whole skin, so it's easy to chop. But the thing is, if you peel the skin, then after the tomato is being a bit soft. So like as you can see, I if I cut is like a slip from my hand. So I need to cut the all in like a small pieces. Then after I'm going to mash them, because I don't have like a masher, so I'm going to use the one of my glass. So as you can see, it's like a slippery because tomato. Oh my god. So anyway, the onion is almost like a golden brown. So I'm going to add a little bit like a, it's like a soft now. So I need to wait. Then after I put the tomato inside, I need to like इधर उधर लतरा पतरा मारना है. उसके बाद इसको मैंने ढाँप देना है. I'm going to cover it this one. And then after like a 5 to 10 minutes, and as you can see that the potato is the 50% is a cook. I cut already like how many pieces. Now I need to take out the spinach from the what is calling the fridge. So as you can see that I have the spinach with me, is organic spinach, chopped organic spinach. So I need to put in the plate, is like a small ball, is a small ball of spinach, but it's good. I buy this one like a like 50 Pakistani rupees. In Pakistan, 50 rupees you can get a big bunch of the spinach. So this one is good, like organic. So after that, I'm going to rinse the water of the potato because the potato is already like the 50 to 60% is cooked. So I need to remove the water. Then after we'll put, like, as you can see that the potato is like really looks good because you can see the this one steam. Okay, so after you can see this glass, I'm going to mash with that. This is good. Like if you mash it, every single thing is blend. So after mashing with a glass, so it's good because every time I'm doing like this, not every time, is the second time I did like this. So after I put the spinach inside, mix it well. Then after I put the lid on it, then until it's soft. So as you can see, that is like really soft. I will show you the like near to the camera. As you can see, is like a really soft. After this one, I need to cook this one like a little bit also because I think this spinach is boiled. I think, I'm not sure, but boiled. Then after I'm going to put a little salt. Then after I need to add some red chili powder. It's like a 1 spoon is enough. Then after I need to add some turmeric powder. Then after that I'm going to add some freaking the dhania powder, coriander powder. Then after I'm going to add some garam masala powder. No, the garam masala powder I'm going to add at the end. So far I need to mix this one. Then after once it's cooked, and I'm going to add inside the potato because it's better if I add the potato now. So I need to cook this one like 2 to 3 minutes more. Then after I add inside the yogurt because yogurt is give like a little good taste. You can, if you want you can put, if you don't want to put you cannot, you if you don't want to put you can't. It's up to you. So I'm going to add like 4 spoons of the yogurt because it's good. It's give like a little taste. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये वाला साफ करना पड़ेगा. So as you can see that now I'm going to mix well. Then after I need to add a little more water because it's dried already. Otherwise, if I leave this one for the cooking, it's gonna be burned. So far I need to mix the yogurt well because yogurt give always a natural taste, like natural and mamma mia taste. Then after mix this one, I need to lid on because the potato is still cooked like a 50 to 60%. Today I get 1.4k, like 1.04k, like 1040 likes, subscribers, not like. Okay, so this thing is done almost. I'm just cleaning the lid because using the non-stick spoons is so good. Now I'm going to add some freaking masala, garam masala, and life advice: don't put garam masala in your fridge, otherwise it's still going to be a garam masala. Ha ha ha. So this one is done, and it's so good. Oh, बहुत गर्मी थी, बहुत गर्मी थी. As you can see, I'm sweating. I just done cooking, and it took me like 30 minutes, 30, 35, 40 minutes like this. So I cooked up aloo palak. In Urdu you can call aloo palak, but in English you call potato spinach like this. So I just cook it, then later I will going to eat, but for now I'm not hungry. So guys, इसी के साथ आज का व्लॉग करते हैं ख़त्म. अगर आपको मेरा व्लॉग अच्छा लगे प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट. अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन so you're never gonna miss any video. Peace out. Allah Hafiz. Much love, much respect. Be safe.